Morning guys, Custom Runner here. Kasama ko si Rain. Our target for today is 12 kilometers. Naka Power Ranger costume tayo. We also have week 1 ng ating Predict My Time. We'll see kung sino yung mananalo ng GCash. Ang kailangan lang is ma-predict yung time for us to complete the 12 kilometers. Uphill training. Sangangat pa lang kami tapos singal na kami. I'm Costume Runner, your heavy-footed, funny, bubbly, energetic Costume Runner. Paano nagsimula si Costume Runner? April 2025, niyaya ako ng coworker ko to do run. First, apprehensive ako but eventually I said yes. At that time, sobrang laki ko pa. Char, as if naman I lost a lot of weight. Anyways, mas malaki ako at that time. And then unfortunately, yung katawan ko only remembers the time na hindi pa ako masyadong malaki. Tina-target ko sub 1 because I only remember how I used to run 15 years ago. Ang body ko cannot recognize how heavy I was then. I got some injuries, nagka-shin splints ako. Until umabot sa next event, doon ko na realize, why don't I try something new? So nag-costume ako and I realized na enjoy pa lang mag-costume, and that was the start na na-build si Costume Runner persona. By the way, we are now at kilometer 3. Naglalakad kami. So, mag-start na kami ulit. Okay, sige, later.
Costume Runner, anong favorite mong costume?
I've already tried multiple costumes. Si Spider-Man, si Superman, and siguro ito si Power Ranger din. Pero I've also appreciated costumes like si Flintstones, tsaka si Dora.
Lahat favorite mo? Pinaka-favorite mo?
Pinaka-favorite ko si Spider-Man.
Doon ka sumikat eh, no?
Ang ganda kasi ng costume ni Spider-Man. I used it sa Kabalan run ko.
Guys, may kalaban. May kalaban kami. Costume Runner, anong upcoming race mo?
This coming December 14, mayroong Kapas Marathon. And we're expecting sobrang daming akyat, sobrang daming baba. That's the reason why grabe yung uphill training namin. If you are going to that run as well, we hope to see you guys. Please be excited sa next costume ko. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo.
Anong favorite shoes mo sa mga race mo?
Flame series, either 3.5 or 4.5. It's a highly recommended shoes. Ay, mali! Pioneer pala dapat sabihin ko.
Costume Runner nyo, tendero.
Pero in terms of training shoes, get the X-Step Pioneer. Builds your foundation from ground up. So yun yung recommended ko for training. X-Step Pioneer.
Costume Runner, ba't mo ba ginagawa to?
Honest question ba yan?
Honest question to kasi ako. Ginagawa ko to, hindi ko alam. Charot.
Ginagawa ko to, friend. Dahil sa mga kasama ko. Pero it's a very good habit.
Mas na-addict ka pa kaysa sa nag-invite sa'yo.
Totoo.
Di ba, Seb?
Totoo.
Oh, at least ano ka na ngayon, Costume Runner ka.
Yes.
Ako, honestly, I don't know. Well, I'm doing this. Number 1 reason ko is health reasons talaga.
True.
Health reason. The rest is ano na.
For the fun of it,
For the fun. Diba? Mga ganon. So, nan sa mga nag-iisip na gustong pumasok sa running era, this is your freaking sign.
Yes!
So, lace that shoe. Woo! And let's run.
Let's go!
Hit training. My goodness. Ang init. Yung Costume Runner nyo buhay pa. Okay pa siya. Finish.
Finish! And our time for 12 kilometers is 1:34 and 15 seconds. Yan yung time. Whoever is the closest, congratulations! And thank you for participating. Until next time, bye-bye!